Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Fluke Multimeter is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools you can have in your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned professional tackling complex electrical systems or a curious beginner just starting out on your DIY journey. This handy device empowers you to confidently measure voltage, current, resistance, and more, ensuring accuracy and safety in every project. Its robust build and intuitive design make it a must-have for any serious electronics enthusiast or professional. Number 5. Fluke 117 Multimeter. This is the Fluke 117, your new go-to multimeter for reliable measurements. It's packed with features to make your job easier and more accurate. With Volt Alert technology, it detects AC voltage without even touching the wires. This keeps you safe and helps you identify live circuits quickly. It automatically selects AC or DC voltage, saving you time and preventing errors. No more manual switching. It features true RMS for accurate readings on nonlinear loads, giving you confidence in your measurements. It also measures resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance. It has a large, bright backlight for easy viewing in low-light conditions and a long battery life of 400 hours. It can withstand temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The low input impedance helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage, ensuring accurate results every time. Get precise readings you can trust. What we like. It has a non-contact voltage detection function, automatic AC-DC voltage selection, and low input impedance to prevent false readings. If you need a safe and accurate multimeter for various applications, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who prioritize safety and precision in their measurements. What people say. The Fluke 117 is a rock-solid multimeter, accurate, reliable, and built like a tank. The non-contact voltage detection and backlit screen are super handy for quick diagnostics. It's a Fluke, so you know you're getting an instrument worth its salt. The 117 has a 6,000 count display with 4 updates per second, plus a 33-segment bar graph with 32 updates per second. The bar graph I find extremely responsive and reliable. This is a true RMS meter. Outstanding meter. The best I've owned in 20 years of using quality meters. I was immediately impressed by the hefty weight of the device, about 1 pound. This suggests long durability. The rubber case will protect the meter against all but the most severe drops. The kickstand angles the meter to 45 degrees, making it easy to read. Number 4. Fluke 323 Clamp Meter. This versatile tool is a must-have for electricians. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making your job easier and more efficient. It measures AC current up to 400 amps. This means you can accurately measure the current in even the largest circuits. It also measures both AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications. It measures resistance up to 4 kilo ohms and has an audible continuity sensor. This ensures safe and accurate testing of circuits. It features true RMS sensing for accurate readings on linear and nonlinear loads. This ensures reliable measurements regardless of the waveform. Its large jaw opening allows you to measure current in conductors up to 30 mm in diameter without interrupting the circuit. This saves you time and effort. It meets the IEC safety standard 61010-1 and comes with a 2-year warranty. It's built to last and designed for your safety. It's rated for Cat 4 installations up to 300V and Cat 3 installations up to 600V. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. What we like. This clamp meter measures high AC current, offers true RMS readings for accuracy, and has a wide jaw opening. If you're an electrician working with high currents, this tool is a must-have for its capability and safety. It simplifies measurements in tight spaces and ensures accurate readings. What people say. Accurate, great meter and quality products I recommend. Excellent quality, comes with carry case, slots nicely into the tool bag. Fluke are quality electrical measurement tools. I can't fault anything. Ottimo prodotto, materiali robusti, dotato di astuccio per potersi la dietro senza rovinarla. Testato tutto, pinza amperometrica, volti resistenza, in pratica le uniche funzioni che ha, ma fa tutto in modo impeccable. A questo prezzo CISI porta a casa un prodotto fantastico che potenzialmente dura una vita. Number 3. Fluke 115 Multimeter. This compact multimeter is perfect for field technicians. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provides accurate readings every time. It measures AC/DC voltage up to 600 V and current up to 10 A. Get precise readings quickly and efficiently. It also measures resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance, giving you a comprehensive set of tools in one device. Use the min-max average functions to record signal fluctuations and get a better understanding of your measurements. It's safety-rated Cat 3 600V, ensuring your safety while you work. It's designed to handle high-voltage situations. The large white LED backlight makes it easy to read in low-light conditions. You can use it anywhere, anytime. It comes complete with a battery, holster, and 4mm PVC-insulated test leads. Everything you need is included. What we like. It's a compact, true RMS multimeter with a high safety rating. If you are a field technician who values portability and accuracy, this is an excellent choice. Its compact size makes it ideal for carrying around and its safety rating ensures safe operation. What people say. Just picking it up you feel the quality. Easy to read screen, durable, capable, with many features I never had before but no use just because they're so handy. If I was still working on aircraft systems, this Fluke 115 would still be a reliable test instrument for 90% of needed applications, but it definitely meets or exceeds the needs of an audio technician or engineer. This digital multimeter is perfect for the home do-it-yourselfer and is even a good buy for the professional. I find it to be 100% accurate when tested against other high-dollar DMMs. The unit itself is a solid unit, feels good in the hand, not cheap. Has all of the major features that are expected and needed for a good DMM plus a few extras such as a display light. Number 2. Fluke 117 323 Combo Kit. This kit is a must-have for electricians. It includes a multimeter and a clamp meter for comprehensive electrical measurements. It measures AC and DC voltage and current. It also features true RMS for accurate readings on complex loads. The multimeter's low input impedance minimizes false readings caused by ghost voltage, ensuring accurate measurements every time. This clamp meter measures AC and DC voltage and high AC current. It also provides true RMS readings for accurate measurements. It measures up to 400 amps of AC current, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Ideal for residential and commercial electricians. The kit comes complete with test leads, a TPAK, and a convenient carrying case for easy transport and storage. What we like. This kit combines a multimeter with a high-current clamp meter, offering versatility and accuracy. If you need both a multimeter and a clamp meter for various electrical tasks, this kit is a great value. The low impedance feature of the multimeter ensures accurate readings. What people say. Fluke has always been known as a top brand for multimeters. The product itself is made very well, a thick yellow rubber shell on the multimeter feels really good in the hand. Also I don't know if it's standard with this set but I got a nice lead set, pictured, that has a swivel cover on the tips. Which is nice for smaller stuff like circuit boards. It has all of the features I need, and the test leads have détente shrouds that cover the tips, high quality. Number 1. Fluke 116 323 HVAC Combo Kit. This kit is perfect for HVAC professionals. It includes everything you need to accurately measure voltage, current, and temperature. It has a built-in thermometer, ideal for HVAC applications. It also measures microamps to test flame sensors. This multimeter's low input impedance prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage, ensuring accurate measurements every time. This clamp meter measures up to 400 A AC current and 600 V AC DC voltage. It's perfect for high current applications. It provides accurate measurements on nonlinear signals thanks to its true RMS functionality. You can trust its readings. The kit comes complete with test leads, a temperature probe, a carrying case, and everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This kit includes a multimeter with a built-in thermometer and microamp measurement for HVAC applications, along with a high-current clamp meter. If you're an HVAC technician, this kit is tailored to your specific needs. It provides the specialized tools you need for efficient and accurate HVAC diagnostics. What people say. Both meters feel great in the hands. The test leads are very nice. Very good, made and super accurate, use every day for HVAC. I still use these almost every day. Fluke makes the best electrical testing tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.